There was a moment in our journey when things got really scary. Cash flow was tight, partnership wasn't aligned, and frankly, we almost had to close the doors. We were growing pretty fast. We had just merged with another business, and on paper, it looked like it was the right move. But behind the scenes, things were unraveling. Partnership just wasn't quite aligned. Money was a lot tighter than we had anticipated. And suddenly, we were facing one of the hardest decisions that we've ever had to make in business. The choice: keep pushing forward with something that clearly wasn't working, or choose to make some hard decisions. Unwind the merger, reduce staff, make some expense cuts, rebuild from scratch. And this was just some of the painful changes that we were to make just to survive. We chose to rebuild. It wasn't easy, but it was necessary. And here's the surprising part. The business is actually better today because of that decision, not in spite of it. Here's what most people don't talk enough about. Growth hurts. Decisions get heavier. And the faster that you scale, the faster the cracks get exposed. Things actually break. But if you're willing to face it, own it, and actually move through it, you can come out smarter, sharper, and stronger. That hard season was brutal, but it made me a better leader, and it made us a stronger and better business. So if you're in a hard season right now, don't quit. You're probably closer to the breakthrough than you realize. If you want help seeing through the fog, I've opened up 2 free weeks of coaching with our team to walk alongside business owners in seasons just like this. I'll put that link in the description below. While you're there, make sure you like and you subscribe, because over the course of the next couple videos, we'll be wrapping out the series of Welcome to My World and providing some additional insights to what to expect from the channel. We'll see you soon.